Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring assets like Polkadot from your Trust wallet to Binance is a must-know skill. It's straightforward, but we'll go through it step by step to keep things secure and smooth. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring DOT like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Binance apps or websites open on your device. Start by opening Trust Wallet. This is your gateway to your crypto holdings, so double-check that you're on the correct app to avoid any mix-ups. Next, locate your Polkadot wallet inside Trust Wallet. Scroll through your assets or use the search bar to find DOT. Once you're there, tap on it to view your balance. Now, hit the Send button. That's where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the amount of DOT you want to transfer. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees to ensure the transaction goes through without issues. Before you proceed, copy the receiving address from Binance. Head over to Binance, log into your account, and go to the Wallet section. Find Polkadot under your assets and select Deposit. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address or scan the QR code directly from Trust Wallet for accuracy. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Binance address into the To field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount, and the network. Make sure it's set to Polkadot's network to avoid errors. Once you're confident, hit Send and confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Now, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to a few hours depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Binance account for the deposit to show up. Pro tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication to protect your funds from scams. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Polkadot from Trust Wallet to Binance. If you run into any hiccups, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.